Good evening, girls and boys and ladies and gentlemen. If you're hungry, go right ahead and eat crunchy chips and noisy popcorn packets and stuff. That's fine. It's all good as long as you're having a good time. Feel free to laugh out loud at the jokes or scream if you're afraid. Feel at home. And finally, if you do need to cough, please cough into your elbows. All right, ladies and gentlemen, AK Various Live presents the Broadband Theatre Company's performance of Maya Mrig.
Wom, 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 wom.
What kind of a place is this, Mashan? Not even a sample goes to be found.
Yes, but Chandran Kaka always says that this is a place to which all of us who are born must finally come.
Narayan, look.
What? Where? Huh? Who? Where?
Shh, listen. Don't you think even a ghost must have a definite form?
Why?
How else will we see it then?
Ah, yes, if the ghost has to be seen by us. But Akka, how can one be sure that it's really a ghost?
That's simple.
Huh?
Suppose the ghost appears in front of us as a pretty girl.
Huh?
Wouldn't we wonder what a girl was doing at this time of the night? And that too in a smashan of all places.
Yes, we know at once it is a ghost.
That's exactly what's bothering me.
Me also.
It's all our imagination. All this stuff about ghosts appearing as girls before boys.
Akka, look!
And boys before girls. Arey, is this a college campus or a smashan? Now, what are you doing here? And Narayan, what if they appear in front of us as a buffalo or a donkey? Then what?
Akka, wouldn't we wonder what a buffalo is doing in the land of dead? And that too at this hour of night?
No, Narayan. It's not that simple.
No?
Suppose the ghost appeared in front of me as you and in front of you as me. Then what?
Let it appear first, we will see.
Arey, that's why we are here, no? To look for ghosts. You remember what Dasappa sir said?
Ah, yes, Dasappa sir, of course. Roche ba iruvara, la 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 la, inuvara.
La 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 la, meduvada, la 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 la.
Hey. You think you're too smart, huh? If you have the guts, go visit the smashan on a moonless night. You are bound to see a ghost.
On a moonless night? Won't the ghost be sleeping then?
Ah, use every possible trick in the book. Praise them, abuse them.
Oh, abuse them? How?
You idiots, you don't know how to abuse. Wait, I will teach you. Ennada rascala.
Ennada raskala.
Ennada rascala patti.
Ennada raskala patti.
Ennada rascala patti. Nee tendi nayanamone mutta matha.
Ennada raskala nee tendi whatever.
Akka. What, whatever. Let's get out of here before the ghosts end up looking like us. Come on.
No, Narayan, wait.
Huh?
I have been thinking.
What?
There is one way we can find out.
How?
Hiroshima, Nagasaki and Kung Fu Shanghai.
What?
It's a mantra, stupid.
What mantra? Made in Japan?
Made in China.
Huh?
These are Chinese words that we will use as a code.
Huh?
Alright? Now, when I call out your name, you will first say Hiroshima, Nagasaki and then speak.
Huh?
And then when you call my name, before I speak, I must say
Kung Fu Shanghai.
correct. Now, if the form that appears in front of us does not use these words, we can be sure that it's a ghost. And not one of us.
But Akka, why Chinese words? Huh? Why can't we use Kannada, Sanskrit or English?
These are Indian ghosts. They will understand Kannada, Sanskrit or English, right?
Ah. Om. 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 It's me.
Oh, what? And why didn't you go at home? I told you now, go first and then we'll get
Akka,
out.
Hiroshima, Nagasaki.
Kung Fu Shanghai.
Hiroshima, Nagasaki.
Kung Fu Shanghai.
Hiroshima, Nagasaki.
Kung Fu Shanghai.
Hiroshima.
Who's there?
Huh? Sakinaka.
You there? Don't think you can fool me with your Maya.
Kawasaki.
I can see right through you.
Sakinaka Kawasaki.
It's
Wait, it's me. What Dishka you're doing?
Narayan, it's you.
Yes.
Arey, why couldn't you remember simple words? Hiroshima, Nagasaki.
Yes,
so
yes,
easy.
but I thought I saw something out there.
Forget that. Now you say it 5 times. Remember the words.
Hiroshima, Nagasaki. Hiroshima, Kawasaki. Sakinaka, Kawasaki. What happened?
Did you hear that?
Huh? Akka, look.
What's that?
Akka,
Huh?
it's just a mongrel puppy.
Huh? You were getting scared for nothing.
Yes, but Akka, if it is going to lie like that, someone sooner or later will consign it into flames.
Huh?
Wait, I'll do something. Hey, shoo! Hey, shoo! Akka, let's get out of here before the ghosts end up looking like us.
Yes, the Dasappa sir must have mistaken someone or something for a ghost when he was drunk.
Yes. Boom. 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 Akka, at night, our town is so deserted and quiet, no?
Yes, really quiet.
Doctor Ho! Doctor Ho!
Narayan,
Hmm?
I've been thinking.
Again, Akka?
There is one way we can find out.
How?
Ghosts do exist, but not in the smashans.
Then, in towns,
Not there either.
then
Ghosts exist in our heads.
in our heads. But Akka, that is where we have our brains.
Correct? Ghosts live in our heads. I found this out only the other night.
Huh?
It was late.
Huh?
About 10 o'clock.
Huh?
I was riding my cycle home. The road was dark and deserted. The wind moaned through the trees. Suddenly a thought struck me.
Huh?
What if there was a ghost riding behind me? I tried hard to chase the thought away, but it just wouldn't leave me.
Huh?
Slowly I felt a weight settle on the carrier behind me.
Huh?
It swayed this way and that. This way and that. And almost upset my balance. I was too scared to look behind. What if the ghost was actually there? My body streaming in sweat, I began to pedal as if in a trance. When the ghost realized that I was not going to lose my balance, do you know what it did? No. It began to tickle me. Oh, Narayan, how can one keep one's balance if something is tickling your sides? So quickly I jumped off the cycle.
Huh? Akka, what did the ghost do then?
The ghost?
Huh?
It vanished.
Huh?
It disappeared back into my head, just like that. I was certain that if I got back onto the cycle, the ghost would return from out of my head. So I just pushed the cycle home.
Akka, I think you're right. I have also felt something like this.
Really?
Yes, the other night I was staring at my image in the mirror. Suddenly a thought struck me also. What if my image in the mirror smiled while I myself didn't. Terrified, I backed away from the mirror. Hey, Akka. Come quick, see, look.
Isn't it the same animal that was there in the smashan?
Yes.
So when did it start following us?
Akka, look. Probably the puppy is abandoned. We'll try calling it names.
Huh.
It might respond, then we can chase it.
Yes, good idea.
I'll call him. Tommy. Tiger. Moti. Akka, its name is neither Tommy nor Tiger nor Moti. Its name is Death.
That is why it was there in the smashan. We made a big mistake bringing it back into town with us.
Akka, we didn't bring it. It followed us.
When Dharmaputra was on his way to heaven, a dog afflicted with eczema is said to have followed him. This pup must be the descendant of that same dog.
Yes, Akka. Akka, look. It's coming towards us. Quick, let's hide.
What is everyone there? Who is this religious creature barking at this hour of the night? I don't understand this, honey. Who do you think you're barking? You think I can bark louder than you? I can bark louder than you. Come over before I kill you. You stupid little animal. I'm just doing it. You're spoiling all the medicine.
Akka, look. Who's that man?
He's the agent of Yam, the god of death.
And what did he just do?
He got rid of Shani, the evil force.
Shani the evil force?
That puppy.
Oh, Shani the evil force. Akka, look. That man is not moving only.
Arey, that's not a human being. Otherwise, how can it stand like this for such a long time?
Yes. He looks like that monkey man, no?
Shh. I think it looks like the Yeti.
Yeti?
Do you think it's unconscious?
Akka, I think it's had a heart attack.
Do you think it's in a coma?
Akka, I think it's dead.
And it's become a ghost.
Akka, Dasapa sir was right that we'd become tantrics on Amavasya night and look out for ghosts.
That ghost.
Let's find out.
Yes, you go. Huh? You go first.
No, you go.
No, you go.
No, you go. No.
Okay, together.
Okay.
Huh?
2, 3.
Achoo!